You will face many defeats in life, but never let yourself be defeated. Hello, I'm Griffin Markee and my home high school is Whitnall. I'm currently working as an apprentice at Complex Security. All day I am installing cameras and other security devices. I joined the GPS Education Partners program to get a head start on everyone else and get more work experience. Here are some things I learned from the GPS Ed program that I wouldn't learn from the traditional high school. The first thing I learned was how to be professional. This was one of the biggest things we focused on here, and it helped me out a lot because I'm very professional now. Another thing I learned was never talked about in the normal high school is how to create a budget and how to save for after high school when you are renting your own apartment and all the other costs you will have. I also learned a very big lesson about employability from the GPS Ed program. It is nothing like normal school or other jobs. If you mess up on the job site, it can get you seriously injured and lose the company a lot of money. So what I have learned is that work is no joke. You need to listen and be 100% attentive while working, because if you mess up, there could be very big consequences. GPS Ed gives you hands-on experience on the work floor, which helps me learn a lot of skills that will help me set up for my career. Today I will finish off by thanking Rocio and Pierre for pushing me and giving me the motivation to finish my schoolwork so I'm able to graduate. I would also like to thank Hamido, Charles, and John for giving me the opportunity to work at Complex Security, as well as Doug for teaching me what I know. I would also like to thank my mom and my dad for helping me find this opportunity and helping me get set up for my future. Lastly, I would like to thank my classmates for making the last 2 years of school fun. Thankfully, I have the tools to be successful in the future. I would like to thank both Complex Security and Whitnall High School for giving me the chance to be the man I am today.